Short overview video introduce and/or buyer's reviews of Rimdoc 1600W power electric high power washer, 3800 psi, 4-in-1 nozzles. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Turn the nozzle until the water flows into the shape you want. The water pressure is 20 times higher than the water pressure in the city and 1.5 times higher than the water pressure of the car washing facility. Making cleaning easy and convenient for all households. Automatic stop function, save your energy and money. The upgraded version of the electric washing machine adopts a waterproof switch, which is safe and easy to operate. It also uses a full stop system, or TSS, which automatically turns off the pump motor when the trigger gun is not used, saving energy and extending the life of the pump. The TSS system and additional waterproof switch provide you with double safety. Intelligent electric high-pressure cleaner uses 1600-watt motor to produce 3000 psi and 2.4 GPM maximum cleaning power, 5.8 kilograms/12.8 pounds. The high-pressure cleaner is equipped with a 33-foot-long cable and a 20-foot-long hose, which can reach any place, such as a porch, terrace, driveway, or yard. With adjustable spray, the spray gun nozzle is adjustable, allowing you to adjust the spray shape from a linear shape to a fan shape. Turn the nozzle until the water flows into the shape you want. If you want to get full highlight features and full review, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.